Hello and welcome to another HELiOS short clip about Service Pack 2 of 2019. In this short clip we would like to shed some light on integrating HELiOS to AutoCAD Mechanical, since there have been added new features. For a start, I have loaded an assembly drawing in AutoCAD Mechanical, and currently we are in the model area here. I would like to enter it via the New in HELiOS function. By opening it, the usual dialog window appears. Here, for instance, we can see that the field for designation 1 stays empty. I'll come back to that later. In Service Pack 2, the AutoCAD mapping has been revised, allowing an interactive creation of mappings in the option dialog. With the function transfer to HELiOS, I am allowed to, let's say, assign a file property to attributes, and here I'd like to keep the name. Also, I would like to choose designation as attribute. And eventually I would like to cut the file extension. Now we can save this, as we have added an assignment of the file property to our mapping. With the function new in HELiOS, we can see that our mapping has been extended in the field of designation 1, as previously shown. Now AutoCAD Mechanical integration allows you to interactively adjust your mapping between CAD and HELiOS thanks to this surface control. Okay, now we enter this drawing and have a look at another new feature supporting AutoCAD Mechanical as well. Namely, inserting article references in the drawing or model area so that HELiOS articles with single articles are linked within the drawing. To do so, we open Insert Reference Point, click on Search, OK, and now we are allowed to select a point where to insert the reference point. We can do this for this screw as well. Also for this flange. And maybe also for this drive pinion. Okay. Now we have finished inserting our article references in this drawing. Hence, the article information from HELiOS has been inserted by these reference points. Furthermore, we could add a part list to our drawing. As you can see here, article information from HELiOS is mapped here in the description column. This can be specified via the previously shown mapping as well. And after clicking OK, I can place this part list, for instance, at the top right. Thus we have integrated a part list in our drawing. Based on the article references, we are allowed to transfer the product structure. In this dialog, we simply select the active articles from CAD and click on the button with the blue arrows to synchronize the part structure with HELiOS. Plus, I apply item edits and I'm done. Having a look at the article information of our drawing, we can see that a product structure has been developed accordingly. If I would like to insert another article reference, for instance, this drive shaft, like this, but also an according entry in the part list, I have to change the number. Here it is 4, or for the bearing log 2, there we can see that this list updates immediately. Another thing I would like to show is in HELiOS Desktop, namely to change an attribute. And as an example, I will choose the flange. Here I change the designation from flange process to flange only. Then I save this and return to my drawing. Moreover, we have the option to update all reference points set in my drawing. By doing so, we can see that the information within the drawing as well as in the list are being updated. Now that I have changed the part list, I can open the dialog window for the product structure again, where the previously added attribute is visible. Also the number has changed accordingly. Now I can transfer the product structure to HELiOS again. Having a look at the articles as well, we can see with the top article and its product structure that it corresponds to the part list in AutoCAD. These can be used as well to transfer the product structure to EAP or similar. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye!